Fasting is your heritage. It's my heritage. That's the human body. That's how the body heals itself. But not only humans, but animals too. Many animals. The fasting process, when they get, what do? They get sick and they don't feel like eating anything. They go sit in the corner and fast until they feel better. As being a species that is supposedly a little more intelligent than the animals, the one thing we can bring to the table is enemas. And even then, there's animals that do it. And so supposedly humans got the idea of enemas watching some animals. And birds do it. That kind of conscious understanding. As Deborah says, her mucus-free May challenge is like a fast. Yeah, so in my introduction to our edition of Rational Fasting, I say that my interpretation of Ehret's fasting methodology is that it's a relative proposition. What's fasting for one person is not going to be fasting necessarily for somebody else. For some people, what they eat during the day that's just what they eat. But for if somebody else ate that exact same diet, that would be like a fast for them. They're at a different place physiologically. So that is a good key, parents. Yeah, paying the proper gangsters, Yeah, you're not allowed to heal yourself. They don't want that. Danny says they write about fasting in a manner that portrays it as being less scientifically sophisticated than other studies in health. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, the way that they articulate it is in this. Like I said, that article is just very lame.